Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am making a quick and easy little DIY with this soap container and this toothbrush holder for the bathroom. I actually filmed this whole thing while I was making it and my camera froze, so we're going to try this again. I'm just going to be using these. I got it at the Dollar Tree. This is, it's got a couple little boo-boos up there. Actually not boo-boos, but they're bubbles or something in it. And this little toothbrush and toothpaste holder, and I got this cute little white soap dispenser at the Dollar Tree. And I did one of these for fall too, and I really enjoyed it, so I thought I would do these for Christmas also. I'm going to be using those two things, and the first thing I did was I wiped everything down with some rubbing alcohol to get any kind of oils or anything so your stickers and everything will stick really good. You could use Windex or just, wash them down quick with some soap detergent. And then I used these stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I have another pack here that I'm going to use on the toothpaste and toothbrush holder. And these cute little gem stickers that they have at the Dollar Tree. I grab these every time I see them there. I usually get the reds and the clears, because they seem to go really fast. And then I'm going to use some of this ribbon. This, I can't even tell you where I got this from. This is like just under 1/4 of an inch. And I don't remember where I got this. I've had this a long time, but you can use any kind of ribbon you want. But I like this print on here, so I thought that would be cute. So they do have lots of ribbon and stuff at the Dollar Tree that you could use on this as well to make it a true Dollar Tree DIY. So anyway, hopefully we're going to get through this without my camera. Well, I got through it the last time, and then when I went to save the video, it froze, and it was just gone. So hopefully we're going to get through this. So it's really simple. All I'm doing is gluing this stuff on, not quite to the tippy top of the rim of this, but just, I don't know. I don't even think that's 1/4 of an inch. And if you want, you can measure it and, draw a line around, but I'm just going to try and eyeball it here and hope all works well. And you don't want to go too far with this because this glue cools really quick on the ceramic. So you kind of just want to do a little bit at a time. And then this stuff you can peel off. I'm not going to bother messing with that right now. That'll peel right off later. Just get it around that corner. I just love having these in the bathroom. It just adds a little something, because I don't put really any decorations in my bathroom. My bathroom's really small, so I don't have a ton of room to put things in there. But these all look cute. And like I said, I'll get that off later. I don't want to move it again here while it's cooling. I say I probably just go about halfway before I stop with the glue. But this is just such a cute and easy project. And like I said before, well, you guys didn't hear me say before, but what I said before in my other video while I was making it is that these would look so cute in like a little gift basket if you want to, put in some soaps and some new toothbrushes or whatever. I think that would be a really sweet little gift. And you wouldn't necessarily have to make them for Christmas either. You could decorate them with any kind of pretty stickers and ribbon. And I love using that braided jute on it. That's what I used on the fall one. I think that's really nice. So if you wanted to make a cute little gift for somebody. And that one held up well. I just did it with the hot glue and stuff, and it lasted all fall. It's still in good shape. Alright, and now I'm just going to do this around the bottom. I'm actually going to go the other way this time. I always want to start in the back because you don't want to see where it starts and stops. And I figured I'd do something quick and easy today because tomorrow is Thanksgiving. And you know, we all got tons to do for that. But I have got to get these videos done. I have so many ideas and so many DIYs that I want to do yet. It's just, you know, this time of the year, as you all know, it's just finding the time to actually sit and craft. But I got to get them done because Christmas is coming so fast. There, and that's how that will look with just the ribbon on it. And then of course I have to go back and get my million glue webs off. I know everyone tells me how to do this and I'm stubborn, I guess. I just sit and pick my glue webs off. But I know people tell me you can do it with a hair dryer and all kinds of things, which I may try later on. Alright, I'll worry about the rest of those later. So then all you have to do is pick out what pretty stickers you want to use, and they have so many, you know, Hobby Lobby everywhere. You know, if you can't find the ones you want at the Dollar Tree, or like I said, if you don't even want to make it a Christmas theme. But these are really nice. So actually this one I might do just a little bit different because I really want one of these little gingerbread on the front. Let me stick them down here and then maybe I can add some more of these stickers to it. They have these little tiny houses. Maybe I can fit one of those on there. Well, we'll just put it up. I don't know if I like that. See, now I don't know if I like that. No, it's too close. Alright, hang on. We're going to change our minds here before this gets really stuck on. I think I'm going to just go with the same I did here and put the house on the front. That looks pretty good. And there it is, our little house. And these stickers stick really well to this, as long as you make sure it's all, you know, cleaned off. And I'm going to put these little guys on the sides, I'm guessing. I'll put the one with the little Santa hat over there, and this one's got a little baker's hat on. That over here. Oh my goodness. I swear, glue webs hate me. They weren't even there, they were stuck to my finger. Oh. Alright, let me get that little devil off there. It's still wrapped around my finger. Alright, that's gone. And then back here, maybe I'll put this little sleigh. I'm not even ever going to see the back of it because I'm going to have this up against the wall, you know, for the toothbrushes. Alright. And then we have all these little candies and snowflakes. I think I'll put a few snowflakes on here. On the front. And then over here, let's see, we have some holly. And we'll stick a little candy up here. I'm going to keep going here so I don't run out of these. Back here I'll put some more little holly leaves. And like I said, I'm not going to see that, so I don't want to put too much of that back there. Put a little snowflake up there. A little holly leaf right here. There's just so many stickers, so many different ways you can do this. I think he needs a little candy down here too. And we'll add another little snowflake on this side. Since I don't have to do much on the back. Oh, he doesn't have a candy cane yet. There we go. There. And then on the top, I'm just going to take a few of these stickers like I did on this one. And you can just pull these apart and just pop a few little, because you got to have a little bling for Christmas. Not too much, but Just a little sparkle. And I think I'm going to put much less on this one because it has so many holes in it. You know, for the toothbrush and the toothpaste. And I might put a couple back here. But I'm not going to bother putting any on the back because you're not going to see them at all either. But you can go ahead and do that if you'd like. And hopefully my camera's not going to freeze on me again here when I pause or stop it. That's when it tends to freeze. It's like when I'm finished doing the video and I want to shut it off and, you know, save that part to go on to the next. That's when it likes to freeze up and I lose everything. So I'm hoping Santa is going to bring me my new camera for Christmas. Alright, so let me clean these little guys up. I'm going to set it up with their toothbrushes and their toothpaste and get rid of this mess. And you guys, I'll bring you back here to see how they look. Alright guys, there they all are, all cleaned up, and I just realized I'm going to have to go get a red and a green toothbrush because that does not match at all. But that's all I had on hand here to show you guys. But aren't they cute? I think this would be so darling in a little gift basket for someone. But I am going to stick these in my bathroom for the holiday and make that bright and cheery as much as you can in a bathroom. And there you go. So this is just such an easy, it's very inexpensive. It's like maybe $4 to make everything, to get your stickers and your things or whatever. But I mean, you could make a ton of these for real cheap. So, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.